Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here, okay? It's free $99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Thank you very much in advance. So I'm not going to waste your time because I know I dropped one very long video. If you haven't seen it yet, it's coming, okay? So I'm trying to make the other few a little bit quicker and to the point because you're like, girl, we don't got this kind of time. So today's video is going to be a stuffing our month of variable cash envelope.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Our variable cash envelopes for May. That's right. We're already in May, y'all. It's actually the 30th today of April, and we're doing May. Because I decided I want to do everything on one day because who am I? I don't know. Let's get moving. So we've got our two wallets, one that stays in the safe and one that is with me. And then we have our expense tracker that we're just going to set up together because why? Your girl was not super proactive and ahead of the game. So we're going to do it together and hope it doesn't take too long. And then we have our happy planner boxes. I think we're going to go with the green for, you know, the growth of the flowers. Is there green? Did I say that and there's no green? Okay. For the spring-May season. Let's set up our expense tracker first. All y'all is just in my little bit of light that I got. Just a little bit. I got a little bit and y'all blocking it. Okay. So, yep. No, we're not doing that. So first we have gas. Which will, yeah. I'm going to probably speed through this because y'all don't really care that much.
We do not care.
That's done. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Okay, so I'll add like flowers or something later. Probably, maybe, not sure. So we have a total of, we have our gas, groceries, self-care, our giving, fun, eating out, and then anything coming out the credit card on sinking funds will be on this page. And then the amount that we put in will be on this opening balance section and then the total savings section at the end of the month when we figure out how much we have saved. So let's get to stuffing and updating. Oh, I've already updated. So this is basically all it is. Gas 120. This will kind of be like my cheat sheet because we're not going to add anything to it because I already added all those things. So that's what I do. I set that up and then sometimes I add some decor. So let's start here with, oh, let's get what? First we need to go what? Where the money resides, where the money resides. So
I'm asked, what the what? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? Okay.
Sometimes you forget you're awesome. So this is your reminder. Remember. We should have $540. So let me just get the money together. All right, money's together. Let's make sure we have $540. Y'all know we get to the ATM, so we only got 10s and 20s. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 20, 40, 60, 80. No. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 540, like I said. We're looking good with that. Gas is getting $120. I don't know why this is going up there. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. So this is $120 for the gasolina. This one does have a tracker because I actually keep the cash on me because it's cheaper to pay for gas in cash. And I prefer not to stick my credit card in at a gas station anyway. So it's a win-win for me. So this is going to be a deposit, 451. And this is going to be for, we're adding 120. 120. I should have said we started with 0 and added 120. We're not going to nitpick. One day I'm going to get these together in my life. Giving is getting 20. We usually do 10s, 2 10s for giving. Deposit. Started with 0 and we're adding 20. That's the way you're supposed to do it. $20. Miscellaneous is getting nothing. Date night has the same. We'll you know what? I'm moving. Nope. Yep, I'm moving date night back into the other folder with like the savings challenges over here because I keep forgetting to save for it or stuff it, and I'm using my credit card now, so it's fine. And this is just the credit card. What's going back to the credit card? So that's it for this wallet. Let's switch to the one that stays at home in the fireproof safe. And groceries will get $220. There's already 20 here. So we need to do 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 200? I think that's right. Sometimes when you gotta make all the little change for the transactions, I just want to have some smaller bills. I wish I had 5s. So let's make sure this is 220. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 200, 10, 20. Oh, I have too much money in here. Too much money? Wait. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 220. No, I can count sometimes. My God. 4.0 GPO for what? GPA for what, Tara? Can't even count 10s and 20s. The heck. Give the bachelors back. Self-care is getting $80. 20, 40, 50, 60, 80. Yeah, let's do it like that. How can you count to confuse everyone, Tara? Just like that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80 is going into the care of myself and others. Okay, and then eating out. Jeez, eating out should be on punishment. But eating out is getting 80 as well. 20, 40, 60, 78. Oh, that's the last of it. Is that what I wanted to do? I guess so. That's fine. That's fine. 20. Hey. 20, 40, 60, 70, $80. $80 to eating out. Boom shakalaka. Which we will try to really go back to like once a week. Ma'am. Chill out. And then have fun gets 40, the last 40, 20, 40, have fun. And that is the end of the money we give ourselves for the month. Keep in mind, these are all monthly. Now, because in May, I am doing a Move Your Body May challenge. I am trying to give myself a little bit more in groceries. And I had a transaction that was about $20 from last month that still needs to clear the credit card. Hence why I put an additional 20 in. that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are ready for May. And if you're doing Move Your Body May, I'm so excited for all of us to get on this health kick and get ourselves moving. And if we can try to eat a little better, we can maybe save some money in these grocery, well, not grocery, because grocery is expensive when you're trying to eat healthy, but like, you know, on some of the eating out and things like that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, orders be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, 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 a. Bye.